but also a lot I'm interested to be on the buy side. Ripple did great job. Solana did great job. Bitcoin, we all know. I am not big fan of Ethereum, but it can make it also because the Ethereum to Bitcoin ratio, it's at the rock bottom. I think it's the bottoms. And as I said a couple of days ago, I can buy Ethereum just for the technical bottoms that Bitcoin topped and Ethereum bottomed, and we can just have some retracement there. We traded that, and it was kind of a small profit. I am more bullish because of what we have on the horizon. Trump won the elections, and he turned to be a crypto pro, and they are pushing to have maybe discussion right now. Maybe they will do. We will see that promises versus reality is gonna start on January. Um, so 1 million Bitcoin reserves is going to suck a lot of the supply on the Bitcoin. Is super bullish for short term, but if they don't do it, maybe market can get a little bit disappointed and we can see some bearish correction. I am long term, midterm, still bullish. I mean, I still expect another cycle to the upside, technical cycle based on the way I trade from price action. Another technical cycle to the upside, and then we discuss the rest. So if we
Yeah.
reach 100,000 and over 110 and 14, I see more or less, then we can end the move and maybe have some corrections because they might not deliver what they have promised, let's say, which this can disappoint markets. And profit taking parabolic moves are also a reason for profit taking, but I see them bullish. The rest of the crypto market, how do I see? They are just going to get pulled with Bitcoin, and because of Trump president and easing a lot of the regulations, so which is going to open a lot of the investors' confidence to invest in the crypto portfolios more as before. And the easing cycle is also coming from Federal Reserve. I believe they will start printing money, they want or not, which is going to lead for more capital flow. Dollar will decline, will increase the money supply in the world. World money supply increasing is actually is the biggest bullish catalyst, in my opinion, for Bitcoin and the rest of the crypto market. Easing cycle supporting crypto investments and economic growth, in my opinion, it's going to be a little bit fake growth on the markets, but a lot of contradiction information we have. So I'm currently doing my researches, deep diving into that. And when I'm ready, I'm going to bring all the information, my conclusions, basically. But simply saying that, just giving you information like this. There is Doji organization. I don't know if you know it. It's the funniest thing that happens. Doji organization is department of what was that? Simply controlling the government decisions and spendings. Which department, the head of that department is going to be Elon Musk. They are not official government organization because the Senate and the House of Representatives basically might not allow. They need to go through. So in order to avoid that, they are just going to be separated entity, like a company that controls the government decisions, which also gonna work with strategies to reduce the money that they throw away, like wasted money. They call it like $2 trillion. $2 trillion to reduce. How they will do that? They will kick 1 million workers from the government job, which are taking place that they believe they don't need, and this 1 million people will go jobless, let's say. So this is how they will reduce the, like, just saying, because I'm still deep diving and not official conclusion, but logic is like this. This is going to create high unemployment, recession. This is going to be official recession from the labor market because 1 million people going to get kicked out. And the expenses that they will have to pay for this 1 million people that they say are in between 100 and 150K. let's say 200, but they will need to pay taxes for this. Let's say 100, 150K, 50,000, 100,000 or $150,000 a year. The government has to pay because they go, jobless, and it increases a lot the expenses. By they try to cut the expenses, it's a little bit crazy there. The calculations are tiny a bit, and if something messes, it's gonna be chaos. And this chaos actually will lead central bank to start helping with injection of capitals. Government will start doing the opposite, maybe scenarios, and everything is going to be really fun next year, in my opinion. So, how Trump is going to affect everything, we will see when it starts affecting next year. Because I will probably ask the team so I can do sessions, call it reality promises versus reality session to track the decisions of the government, of the central bank, and the market reactions. Only related trading and investing is going to be fun next year. And more or less this. Yeah, that's like how I can conclude, but generally bullish because there's just no reason for bearishness. If some stronger um, escalating happens in the war, some people believe it's going to hit cryptos. In my opinion, this is bullish for the crypto because crypto will play as store value asset. Duo two, when you have war, you cannot make transactions, banks and etc. You cannot use them. What you do, you as fast as possible, you put your money in crypto and you are safe um, in terms of holding your value of your wealth. Let's say in the